When building a YouTube channel, you cannot focus on your views, your likes, and your comments. That's things that boost the ego. It's not what helps you on YouTube. The thing you definitely want to focus on is really focusing on how you hold your audience's attention. When you create content, most of the platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, they will show you the analytics behind the scenes. The goal is to hold the attention of your audience. That is the fastest way to get watch time hours on your channel. When you understand when are people dropping off, when are people engaged, when are people going back to watch something else. These are the things you want to take note of when it comes down to building and starting your YouTube channel. Now, if you have no subscribers, that's okay. Your videos will still be pushed to people who aren't subscribed to you. That's why I love YouTube so much. You don't have to have an audience to have analytics and insights behind the scenes to determine what content is doing really well. So the next time that you're starting to create content, make sure you're looking at those analytics, especially the audience retention. It's one of the biggest things that will, once you focus on there, everything else will grow. So when you don't focus on your subscribers and followers, focus on the audience retention, because the more you can hold a person's attention, you will be rewarded, specifically on YouTube. Now, if you want to monetize your passion and really truly inspire the world with your gifts and what God has given you to share with others, I have a free training on my page, and I will share the steps and mistakes that I made when I first started my YouTube channel, where I was able to now cultivate a community of 31,000 subscribers and get paid passively through constant money coming in from YouTube. And you'll get paid with other things too. So if you're interested, feel free to go check it out, and I hope to see you there.